Time has come for me to do this. 2019. 4 flits. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. Alright, how to do the oil change real quick. Stay tuned. Shout outs to everybody, shout outs to the whole clan, gang, the whole planet. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Alright. Shout outs to everybody, even the haters. I love you too. If you want to support the channel, you want to support the community, if you want to support my work, right below this screen, there's a heart. It says thanks. Click on that, go through it. You'll see what's up. And I would appreciate it. All right. Get your membership too. I'm about to do some hoodies, coffee mugs, stickers, and all that. And soon I'm gonna do a raffle. Okay, so I wish you luck. Get the prize. I'm on the road here. Come with me. Let's do this oil change. 2019 4 flits. Let's get in. Let's do it, bro. Okay. You see what's up. I think it's too bright. Let me start this car real quick. Turn this. You see what's up. It says right there. Change engine oil soon. Alright. You see it. So we're gonna get that message going, alright? It's only right that I show you how to do it like a pro. You see the whole, you see the dashboard, you see what's good. Alright? 2019. Okay. This is how you open the hood coat. Pop! Just like that. Alright? I'm gonna shut this down. Boom. I forgot about something. No, I'm good. Alright, let's get it. Flats. Okay. Where's that thing now? Good question. Let's see. Let's go down there and see. Oh, can you see? Oh, here it is. Fantastic. If you ever need the right amount of Freon for your AC system, here it is. Alright. If you have questions about this, put in the comment box. This is a 3.7. Okay. Engine oil cap. Top of oil, 5W20 regular. Windshield fluid reservoir. Coolant reservoir. Air filter. Battery. Brake fluid reservoir. Fuse box. Giddy. Oil dipstick. Let's go down there. I'm gonna come through here. I'm gonna remove this. Here's a few. Let's just turn it counterclockwise. Right here, be careful it doesn't fall on your head. Yep, that's a cover right there. So right here, oil filter, oil drain plug. Alright. Alright, so right here I'm gonna grab this 15mm socket, pop, put it right there, pop, with the 3/8 ratchet. You know what I'm saying? 1, 2, just like this, boom, boom. Oh, I'm gonna give you some effects right here, you know what I'm saying? So you enjoy the view, you know what I'm saying? Probably not though, because the light, well, give me a better angle. I'll give you a better angle, okay? Is that Gucci? Okay. You fuck my eyes though, but all I gotta do to give you the best angle though, not like that, I pause. Stop playing with me, I'm telling you. Right there. All right, how's that? What you think? Is it clean? Is it dirty? I'm gonna let it go. Boom, just like that. Eat. Come through here, this. Yeah. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna let it drain out for a minute, for a hot minute, because a lot of people are like, yo, you don't let it drain and this and that. You didn't drain nothing. Yo, there's still like some oil. Blah, 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 blah. Come on, dog, this is what I do, man. If you wanna drain all the oil, what you can do is, well, right now the engine's hot though. The engine's hot, so most of it's gonna come out. But if you wanna rinse the engine from inside, you wanna rinse it, then pour some diesel. Right there where you put the oil, right there. Pour like a quarter diesel, that's right. That's what I said. I'm gonna say it again. Diesel, all right? For some diesel in the engine, right where you pour the new oil, and let it idle for a minute. Then, you know, open the oil drain plug, and most of it is gonna come out. That's a little trick, so you know, all right? I give you a little perk. All right? I'm gonna let you see how much time I let the oil drain. All right? Because I don't want to hear it later. But if you think I'm not giving enough time to drain the oil, put it in the comment box. Let me know. Let me see. Let me see what you think. All right? And if we don't agree, then you know. All right? Put it in the comment box. And you don't have to hate. You don't have to hate. You can be corny, you can be funny, you can joke. You could be a, you know, like a butthole. It's up to you. But don't cross the line, dog, because I don't want to erase your comment. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to delete it. I want to have fun. Checking the messages and all that. I'm not sensitive at all. I'm just doing it because I want to keep it peaceful. You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to Germany, Greenland, Ireland, India, Japan, French, Croatia, Ukraine, Russia, China. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? Oh. I'm just gonna let it drain more, all right? And I'm gonna do the oil filter. Okay. All you gotta do is come in 3D right here. That's your oil filter right there. That's your oil filter right there, dog. I'm gonna grab the there. Turn. Oops. This filter brand is the brand for the oil filter is what is it? Parts Master. All right. Chop. Let it rain. Let it rain on the O's. All right. I'll let it rain for a minute. Check the brakes. Check the brakes. Check the hole. We're Gucci with the brakes. Alright, no biggie. Now for this, I could do it, I'm gonna do it with my hand, of course, but I don't wanna get burned. But I have a technique though. Like this, and I'm gonna pull it down straight, okay? Like that. Okay, alright. A fucking splash. Okay. Right here. Just gonna clean it here. Wipe it. Okay. Sit 70, 60. Sit 70, 60. That's for this on this brand, okay? Parts Master. You have to loop this, alright? You have to loop this gasket, okay? A lot of people are saying too, once you loop it, put it there. A lot of people are like, yo, you don't loop it, yo, you don't do this. Come on, man. No, I appreciate the heads up. I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you letting me know, but if you say that I didn't do it, then that's something else. Indian gold pack, just started by hand. All right, I'm gonna go whole on this. That's good. Let's go oil, drain plug. This guy. Just put this thing back right there by hand. Ooh, got water in my shoes, my boots. It's been raining lately. Now I'm gonna tie it with a 15mm socket. Just like that, and the ratchet 3/8. Snug it. Wipe it. I'm gonna put the cover back. Come through with the oil. 520. 6 quarts. All right. Coming through with the oil. Just watch out. Don't overflow. It won't overflow at the bottom. 6 quarts, 5W20. That's regular oil. Maybe synthetic blend. Hot. Put the cap back. It's okay if it's upside down. Well, let's reset the oil life. Yeah, these lights are too bright. Okay, I'm gonna start the car right now. step on the brake pedal, push the start button, running right now, right? Let me load that light. Oops, too much. Lower a little bit more. Okay, we're gonna get that message going, okay? That guy right there. So, what we're gonna do is press on this, pop, scroll to the right or left. Now you're gonna see that. You're gonna play with this guy, alright? Up, down, left, right, enter. Now, we go down, settings, press OK. My vehicle, press OK. Oil life reset, press OK. Remaining life 4%. Hold OK to reset. So you gotta hold this button, hold it, press it and hold it. You're gonna see that resetting bar, pop, reset completed, oil life set to 100%. Now, you let it go. Alright, that's how you reset the oil life in this baby. And I'm gonna leave it right here. Hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box for me. Alright, I don't want to be weird though, but shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the whole clan, gang, planet, Russia, Ukraine, Japan, Germany, Italy, UK. Did I say Spain? Croatia. Austria, Australia, Argentina. You know, there's like 100 countries though. I'm not gonna mention all of them though, but shout outs to them. Alright, I keep it right here. Know what I'm saying? Oh my, right here. Know what I'm saying? And catch me in the next one. I hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy, and you know where to find me. I'm clocking out. Audi, Axtuo, Purum.